location where it is sheltered as we are measuring air temperature.
Don't stand in places under direct sunlight as the sling psychrometer will capture the heat from the sun.
Make sure that the wick is saturated. Hold the sling psychrometer at its handle. Swing the sling psychrometer at arm's length and above the shoulders.
Do not touch the wick and do not touch the bulb.
Swing the sling psychrometer at a consistent pace for 1 to 2 minutes.
Do not swing the sling psychrometer at inconsistent intervals.
Remember to read the temperature readings at eye level.